Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2019 Yamaha Wolverine X4. We've installed a whole bunch of cool stuff on this one and wanted to do an in-depth video and walk around about the cab kit. We get a lot of questions about the cab kit, and so we're going to address some of those issues right off the get-go. Yes, the cab kit does come with the full glass windshield from Yamaha. It also includes the windshield wiper with washer fluid kit. All the motor and everything is included as well. On the front door, as you can see here, we love this cab kit. It installs very nicely, opens up really great so anybody can get inside. It's got this nice bulb on the edge to keep it sealed off from the elements. Very easy install. It is going to take you a couple hours to get the job done, get the doors aligned and everything, but you do have a nice snug tight fit all along the machine. You can see there they've done a great job with the fit and finish on it as well. The windows have the ability to slide back and forward. You also have the ability to lock the doors from the inside and the outside. That's the handle to open it up from the inside. And a key lock on the outside. Obviously, you will take off the stock doors. On the rear, you can see the door hinges the opposite direction. Same lock and latch function. You will need the factory Yamaha roof with this. The back windows also slide forward and backward. This is the big question that we have, you guys. So the stock roll cage comes straight down, which leaves that gap, and everybody's wondering how that back window works on the slant. Well, as you can see, the back window is also lockable and on some gas struts, and the angle of it lets it shut down and close over the stock tailgate. So you still have full access to your cargo in the back. Your tailgate functions as it normally would. When it comes time to shutting the back window, that'll just come down. It'll latch on both sides. And you can see now that that back window is installed. There's going to be no elements getting inside on your cargo in the back. So that glass back window, yes, that is automotive glass. It's going to come down, hit that lip, and roll off the edge of the tailgate. Again, that seal is very nice and tight. Also along the roof, as the elements come off the roof, they're going to hit this rain gutter, and it's going to divert the water, snow off the side of the machine. Very good quality hinges. All of the components are top notch. The glass does have a slight tint to it. It's going to help keep the cab cool in the summertime. What do you guys think? This is by far the best cab kit on the market, hands down. When you first install your cab kit, the doors are going to be a little tight to shut. That's just because you've got that nice thick bulb on the edge. It's going to take a little while to get that flattened out and kind of develop that memory that it needs. But you can see that is sealed off very, very tight. All the way down, all up along the front. Let's take a quick peek from the inside. You can see there's really no gaps You can't see any light through there. They've done a really good job. Down at the bottom, the windshield wiper, the controls are up here. I'm not going to do the washer fluid, but the wiper, you've got two modes, two speed modes. That was slow and that was fast. So if it's really cranking down, you're going to be able to get that cleaned off. Clears off a huge space for both the driver and the passenger. There's your controls. If you'd like more information about the cab kit, give us a call, 435-427-3338. I would highly recommend, if you do install the full cab kit, to do the heater with defrost. If you're out there on a cold day like it is today, it's snowing out there here in central Utah, you're going to get some fog up on there, and it's going to start to ice up on you a little bit, and be able to have that defrost is going to be vital for you with the full cab kit. You can open and close these vents and turn them as well to get that air flowing on you wherever you'd like. The heater kit is going to be operated by a toggle switch. There's low. If you listen really quiet, you might be able to hear it. But it's not a loud, annoying fan. Let's go to high. The heater kit does tie into the coolant system. And there you have it. If you guys have any more questions you would like answered about the full cab kit from Yamaha, give us a call. If you'd like to get one on order, give us a call, 435-427-3338. You can also check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. It's going to be perfect for all your weather conditions. Let's take a look at it out here. I'll tell you what, with this snow that's falling right now, we're expected snow all week. Who wouldn't want a cab kit with the heater? Oh yeah, and heated seats too. We can also do that here at Big Pine Sports. Have a great day, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving.